Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Alright, so I am crafting today, taking some time. Look at that, isn't that so cute? These are like the Spotify music plaques. I'm not selling these, I just made them personally for me to put on my walls. So I'm crafting today. I did about an hour of work. I am about to put the Protect Black Woman sticker on a mask. And then I have something else that is coming that I'm gonna create a big canvas in my office. So I had a vision originally, but I think it has changed. This has still come to fruition. I think I just found something that I'm gonna put there. I may buy this week. I bought this little purple tote here just to keep some stuff in that was sitting here on the floor. I'm just trying to be a little bit more organized. I really need to get a new one of these because it's not holding things well. And then I have I feel like I have more stuff in it now, so we'll see what happens. But that's what I'm doing today. So I'm about to go get the mask. I ordered a set from Printful, so I'm gonna do that. But this is like a craft with me video, something different. I used to craft all the time. Let me just get on my. I used to craft all the time, but I just don't have time. So in the midst of running a business, I need to do things that don't frustrate me, but you know, make me happy. So like painting, doing little crafts that I find online, or making decor for my office, that makes me happy. So I have like a few more things that I have to wrap up for actual work today, and then I'm gonna play. So I kept seeing where everybody was making these Spotify plaques, so I decided to create one. I'm not showing how I'm doing, I'm just telling y'all I made myself one. Trying to see if that's, I didn't take the thing off yet, so my printer was running out of ink, so my photo is probably trash because of that. I'm gonna put that right there. Oh, it's not even trash, it's because I was running out of ink. So let me tell the truth. I need to buy some ink. And I probably shouldn't have stretched the picture as big as I did. There we go. Going to take the photo out, and I got this from Dollar Tree. It's 11 by 14. I wanted mine to be bigger, and I may or may not paint the frame, but this is what it looks like, if you guys can see it. Okay, so some people have pressing pillows. I have this little Valentine's Day pillow that I've had for a while. I'm going to use it to press here. Spread that out a little bit. Wish me luck, y'all. I probably should have moved it back some. I moved it back and I was able to close the entire press. So far it looks good. I'm gonna give it another press. That's what it looks like, and I'm also gonna put it on for you guys. So this is the mask. I could work with the design and do it a little bit smaller, so it's not as big. But I think I like it. Same font. So this is the other little craft project I'm working on. And I'm painting my frames for my music plaque. But so this is the second frame. Look at my hands. And this is what, so I'm just waiting on some of the Mod Podge to dry. But doesn't that look amazing? Doesn't it? It cost me about $30, $35 to make. This was like $27 a canvas. I think the money was like $6.99. So super excited. So guys, this is the finished product. This is my money canvas. And I got this sign. This little hello sign. I don't know where it's really supposed to go. I got it at Michael's the other day. So I just put it there. Yeah. Maybe if I get like a screw or something, it'll stay on better, but for right now it's just like that. And this is so amazing. And then the music plaque. It's my favorite gospel song. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I can't wait to record from in front of this. Isn't this such a dope backdrop for my office? So until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this craft with me video. Love you more than love this video.